What's up, everybody? It's Grom Gamer. Happy Saturday. It's Saturday now. I don't know when I'm going to post this, but happy Saturday either way. Just enjoying my day off, and once I get to an appropriate location, I'm going to try a max speed test on this Honda Grom. Now, I've done this like 100 times already just in my free time, but I know a lot of people are curious and interested in buying a Grom, and a lot of people's biggest gripe with the Grom is highway speeds, getting up to the highway speed. Long story short, it's difficult, but I'll just see how fast I can get on this thing today. Try to clock it real quick and show you guys based on my height and weight. I guess basically my weight. I don't think the height part really matters because I'm going to do the full tuck situation. So, but anyways, at about 220 pounds to 210 pounds, just fluctuating between that for me. How fast I can get this thing. Take two. But yeah, once I get to a decent area that's not like around neighborhoods and stuff, I might even hop on the highway just for a quick second. I'll see how quick I can get this thing up to, because even though I've done it 1,000 times, yo, nobody likes a good bike way better than me. Ooh, that guy was on a Busa. All right, I hopped on the highway. I'm just gonna be on here for like an exit or two, hopefully. This is me in fifth, full throttle, picking up a little bit of speed. I'm gonna tuck down a little bit. I usually get to like 62. Let's see what I can get to. I don't know which direction the wind's going. Okay, we're at 60, 61, 63, 62. Oh, 64. Let's see. You know, this is probably the... Holy shit. This is legitimately the fastest I've ever been on my Honda Grom. I think I touched 67 in a full tuck. Wow, I matched highway speeds. So you see now that I'm standing straight up, it slowed me down a little bit. I'll have to look back at the footage, but I think I touched 67 in a full tuck on the highway. I don't think that's typical. I think I'm having a good day, because I think before today, the fastest I've ever gone is 64. Dang, I missed the wave. I was just talking all that talk too. Yeah, you see, I'm sitting straight up, still full throttle, still in fifth, and now I'm closer to 60. So I think full tuck, ideal conditions. Like I said, I have no clue what direction the wind is going in, and I don't know if I was going up or downhill or just flat. Doesn't look like we have any wind, just based on the trees. But yeah, roughly 66, 67, it can be done. And this is 0 actual modifications. I did the fender delete, which I don't think is like a weight reduction per se, so I'm not really counting that. Basically, I've done 0 modifications of this bike. No exhaust, haven't changed out the sprocket yet. I know I've been talking about doing that. Stock chain, stock everything. So I hit 67, which is kind of unbelievable. It just goes to show you how much of a difference wind resistance makes, because this is the same exact amount of gas I was giving it before, but I'm just sitting straight up. Anyways, I'm gonna keep this video short. I'm sure anybody that wants to see the max speed of a Honda Grom doesn't want to hear me yap the whole time. They probably just want to tune in, check the top speed, and bounce out. So anyways, thanks guys, checking in, keeping the video. Let me know in the comments how fast you've gotten yours. I haven't really seen 67 on YouTube or anywhere else that I've checked, so that's, I don't know, I'm a little bit surprised by that. But anyways, see you.